This is Jacob from East Valley that came to us about 2 weeks ago. And within the first 4 days of training, we noticed he started limping while he was running around playing with dogs. So when they was sent to the vet, it's diagnosed as severe hip dysplasia. We're going to try to show you him running and limping. He's favoring his back right and his front right paw at this point, and back right hip. Jacob, what are you doing? This dog is very smart. He's very lovable. He's just a puppy, and he really needs a chance at life because he's got to get this operation. Okay, here we go. Come on, Jacob. Keep doing that. Come here, Jacob. Come here, Jacob. Front right limping, back right hip. He's got a lot of energy, and he's really just... There he goes, there he goes. Do you see that? Come here, Jacob. Good boy, Jacob.
Yeah, good boy.
Jacob. This is just to show. Yeah, you see the gimp. Now see if we can get him to run on. Yeah, there's limping.
Relax. Relax.
Dog is a very super dog friendly, super lovable, super sweet. Just needs help so he can have a life. Oh, that's cute. Yeah.
I love you.